Dave app gives you small cash advances based on your bank activity, while Cleo uses an AI chat interface that also offers cash advances plus budgeting tools. That difference changes how you interact with the app and what you get out of it long term. By the end, you'll know how each app handles cash access, how approval usually works, and which one fits better depending on whether you want simple advances or a more interactive money assistant. Dave app is built around short-term cash advances. It connects to your bank account and looks at your income deposits and spending patterns. If your activity looks stable enough, it can offer small advances before your paycheck arrives. The goal is fast access to cash with minimal steps and a simple approval flow. Cleo works differently. It uses a chat-based interface where you talk to the app like a messaging assistant. You can ask about your spending, get budgeting help, and also request cash advances if you qualify. It combines financial tracking with cash access instead of focusing only on advances. Now, break down approval behavior. Dave app focuses on your bank deposits and income consistency. If your paycheck history is stable, you're more likely to qualify for advances. Cleo also looks at your income and account activity, but it ties approval into your overall financial behavior and how you use the APS features over time. Now talk about how you actually use them. Dave app is straightforward. You open the app, check eligibility, request an advance, and receive funds if approved. The experience is built to be quick and predictable. Cleo adds another layer. You interact through chat, ask questions about your money, and then access features like budgeting insights and cash advances inside the same conversation-style interface. Now, the key difference. Dave app is focused mainly on fast cash access tied to your paycheck timing. Cleo is focused on financial interaction, combining budgeting help with optional cash advances. So the decision depends on what you actually want from the app. If you only care about getting small cash advances quickly with a simple process, Dave app is more direct. If you want help tracking spending, understanding your money, and still having access to advances, Cleo gives you more tools in one place. Here's the simple breakdown. Dave app is focused and utility-driven. Cleo is interactive and guidance-driven. Both use your bank data, but they solve different problems. Do this next. Think about whether you want a quick advance tool or a money assistant that also offers advances. Then compare how often you'd actually use budgeting or chat-based features. If you want simple cash access, Dave app fits better. If you want budgeting help plus optional advances, Cleo is the stronger choice.